Things are a bit more expensive in Corfu now. The bars all had a meeting and put the prices up. But I think it's still cheaper than England. Definitely a bit cheaper. There are 2 or 3 places that are very expensive indeed, and I'm going to go down to Acharavi later on and film them for you, so you know. And also the cheapest supermarket is Delia's. Then Kajanis, sorry. And then there's what used to be Dimitra, there's the most expensive. Unless you've got the bonus card, which I suggest you get as soon as you arrive in the supermarket. That's Maxi. Okay, it's still cheaper than the UK anyway. I'm glad you asked me what happened to little Al. He unfortunately had a stroke and had to go back to the UK. And unfortunately, very unfortunately, I've lost contact with him now. But he was a superstar on my videos at the beginning. He always did well. He was the comedy part of my videos. Right, what's going on in the world? Who knows? Well, Trump is
destroying everything.
Who knows?
Have they considered that?
Well, Trump is
Have they considered that he's only being nice to Putin because he wants to build a Trump Tower in Moscow? Or that he was Epstein's partner instead of just being a friend, and that's why he does not want these files released? Who knows?
With Epstein, a partner instead of just a friend. I don't know, I sort of think that goes around in my mind. But the guy's money mad, he's a liar, and he's everything. Well, I've enjoyed that. I'm going to wander down to Acharavi now and film these new places. And I'll see you again, I hope. This is the cheapest supermarket in Acharavi. Delia's. Acharavi, Easter Monday. Over on the right, the yellow building is Dora's Cafe Neon. And opposite that, what used to be Alpha Bank is now going to be, as I understand it, a Thai restaurant. We'll go closer and look. That used to be Alpha Bank, and it's now going to be a Thai restaurant. Hopefully open for the season. Opposite, there, that's where I normally drink in Acharavi, have coffee or what have you. It's a local village restaurant and also the cheapest place to drink. Up the steps and on the right opposite what used to be the bank. It could be Thai, it could be anything. You don't know here until it actually opens, unfortunately. Now that is Kajani Supermarket, the next cheapest place, but they on something that are expensive. They actually have a very good selection of goods. Let's zoom in over there. This used to be the high-low. I don't know if it still is. I don't know what their prices are, but we're going to find out. But they've got outside tables down the side. And just over the road from Kajanis, which is over there. These are all new. It's a boutique there. The Espresso Boutique. Looks like you can get coffee there. There's a little bar next door, quite expensive in my book, for a rum and coke and a glass of wine they charge €11. These are all new, it's a boutique there, the Espresso Boutique. Looks like you can get coffee there. There's a little bar next door. Quite expensive in my book. For a rum and coke and a glass of wine they charge €11. Over the road there on the corner is the Hovely. It's little more than a cafe neon, but it's bloody expensive. But you do at least get a meze, that's a small bit of food with your first drink. The cheapest place to drink, have coffee or tea is where I started, indoors opposite the new Thai restaurant, if that's what it is. This is what's called a meze. It's just a snack like tapas. And the Hovely, although it's expensive for the drinks, in my opinion, is compensated for by a free meze which you get with your first drink. It's little more than a cafe neon in here, but it's quite expensive, but we like it. Hi. Well, the prices are varied, although they are bit price rings. You've had to look round Acharavi. But Acharavi all road, you're going to pay something like €3 to €4 for a half litre bottle of beer. Always buy the big bottle, the small bottle's not good value. So you want a big bottle of beer, it's cheaper. Crazy, I know, but that's life. A bottle of spirits, you can go into the big last supermarket I showed you and you can get a litre of Bacardi for €15, which is quite cheap if you've got your bonus card, which you can get from the cash desk when you first arrive. They issue it straight away. Well worth doing if you're self-catering over here. If you go into a bar and want spirits, then that's €5 to €7 for a glass of spirits with a mixer. And remember, a glass of spirits over here is with a shaky hand measure, not an optic. So it's about twice the size of an English measure. And a glass of wine is €3.5 to €4.5, depending on where you go. That's about it. Coffee can be anything from €2.5 to €3.5 to €4, depending on where you go and what sort of coffee you have. Always try and find the name of your barman. Greek for what is your name is Porcellini. Porcellini is what is your name. So find the name of a bar you like, get the name of the barman that serves you every time, and you'll find your measures are quite good. Free advice. Anyway, that's Corfual signing off. See you whenever next time. If you're around, if you see me in a bar having coffee or drink, feel free to come over and say hello, because I always like to meet subscribers and followers. See you soon. Bye for now.
Cheers.